Good morning guys, and in front of me is OPPO Find X8s, and let me show you how to change keyboard language. So at first, open new message. Once you open keypad, just mark settings icon, go to languages, tap on add keyboard, select the one that you want to apply. So to do it, you can either scroll till you find the preferred one, or in search area, you can provide it. Now pick the layout that you want to apply, tap on done. If you wish, you can stay with both languages. In that case, you will have this word icon here to switch between languages. But once you remove unnecessary one, you'll have one language only with no word icon here to switch languages. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.